All right, 5 different ways you can make $100 per day online at the age of 16. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and if you're trying to build a passive income online affiliate marketing business from the comfort of your living room sofa, this is the channel for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, so the methods that I'm revealing in this video, I've either used to make $100 a day online, I've paid someone $100 a day online, or I know someone that's making $100 a day online or more with these specific methods. All right, so method number 1, if you're young, this is going to be to your advantage because you can pick up these specific technical skills really quickly. All right, so method number 1 involves doing freelance work, providing digital services to people looking to pay for them. So the things that are hot right now in the freelance space are of the following. Anything to do with Photoshop, web design, graphic design, people are always willing to spend money for Photoshop work. Number 2 is any kind of video animation, video editing, so programs like Adobe Premiere or Adobe After Effects, people pay good money for these types of services. Number 3 is any kind of coding, web programming, back-end server scripting, server administration. People pay good money for this all the time on the internet. All right, so since you're young, you're going to be able to pick up these skills in a matter of 6 months to about a year if you focus. Once you learn it, you have a valuable skill you can make money on for life. Number 4 is writing, article writing, blog posts. I pay good money for this for my affiliate sites, my blogs all the time. Writing is one of those things that people are always going to be willing to pay money for. All right, so these are all things you can do. If you're a teenager, you can make some good money on the side, $100 a day, even if you're relatively lazy there. All right, method number 2 is publishing ebooks on the Amazon Kindle publishing platform. All right, so I make money every month through the Amazon Kindle. It's not one of my main things. It's just kind of like a little side income. I have met, however, a kid. It was, I think it was like 4 or 5 months ago at an internet marketing conference. He was 16 years old and he said he was making over $1,000 per day publishing mystery ebooks. Freaking mystery. If you can make that kind of money selling mystery books, you can make that kind of money selling anything. All right, so Amazon Kindle ebooks. One of the benefits of the Kindle platform is that you don't have to appear anywhere on screen. No one's going to have any idea your age as long as you are a good writer. All right, so if you have confidence in your abilities, your talent, your writing skill, that might be something for you, the Amazon Kindle ebook publishing platform. All right, method number 3 is stock photos. All right, so if you have a good camera, Canon 70D is a good start, and a quality lens for the purposes of stock photos, you can make a fortune selling your images on sites like iStockPhoto, Shutterstock, or the dozens of other stock photo websites out there. All right, so what you want to do is focus your stock photos around niche markets that people buy tons of images in. Things like computers, web, internet, that's a huge niche that people spend money for on iStockPhotos. Health, things like yoga, specific sports. People are always willing to buy images for their blogs, their videos, and all that. So if you specifically tailor your stock photos to those niche markets, you can make good money passively getting royalties from your images on various stock photo websites. All right, method number 4 is creating a YouTube gaming channel. All right, so I know you young kids out there freaking love your video games. I mean, who doesn't when you're that age? You can make good money off that, but you will need to focus on building a following on YouTube. So a good way to do this, I saw a site the other day called twitch.tv. There are all these live viewers watching all kinds of video games. You probably know about it. So what you can do is you can start broadcasting your video game playing there, also simultaneously recording yourself play those video games on your computer, and recruit people from Twitch to subscribe to your YouTube channel. You have a dual benefit here. You can get people from Twitch to go to your YouTube channel, and simultaneously you're able to create a YouTube video to put on your YouTube channel there. All right, so that's just an idea for you if you want to start a gaming channel. It doesn't have to be gaming though. YouTube is a freaking goldmine if you know how to tap into it. I have many YouTube channels not related to gaming, and I do the same exact thing for those specific channels. All right, so in a nutshell, you need to tap into a secondary traffic source and use that to funnel people to your YouTube channel so that you build subscribers on YouTube. And the fifth way to make $100 a day online is through affiliate marketing and product reviews. This is how I make a good portion of my money online. This is something I've been doing for the last 7 or 8 years. Affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is one of the best passive ways to earn $100 a day online or more. So in a nutshell, you'll just grab a product. Let's just pick one here. Here's a good one. Here's a good example. So this is the Canon camera lens. This is basically a good standard issue lens you can use for a wide variety of things. It's very versatile. So what I can do is I can create a website, just as an example, about camera lenses, and I can review those lenses and then pitch the person to buy this product on sites like Amazon.com. So this is what I do on a pretty regular basis. Works really well. It's a proven way to earn a passive income online. One of the things I like most about it is that you don't actually have to be seen if you don't want to. So you can do this without people really even knowing that you're 15 or 16 years old. All right, so if I had to pick anything out of the 5 methods I listed, affiliate marketing would be the one that I would choose. Again, this is something that I've been doing the last 7 or 8 years. So I do have a free guide that you can access right here to pop up on the screen. This shows you step by step how to build a passive income online affiliate marketing business from the comfort of your living room sofa. So you can get that by clicking this image or typing into your browser URL address bar deadbeatuniversity.com/guide. All right, so if you're on a mobile browser, you might actually have to type that in and do it manually. And again, that shows you how to create an Amazon affiliate marketing business step by step, and it's perfect for those of you out there that are still teenagers. All right, with all that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm releasing new content on affiliate marketing, make money online, traffic generation, SEO, and more. Hit that subscribe button. Also, share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions for me. I will do my best to help you to the best of my ability. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and I'll see you deadbeats later.